We are tired. We are willing now to walk, to demonstrate. We are willing to pray. Now, we have been praying. We're willing to pray on the courtyard. We are willing to do whatever is lawful and necessary to get this dump out of our community. You heard the song. I'm sure you have. I am coming. I am coming. And my head is hanging low. I am coming, oh Black Joe. But gentlemen, we have changed the words of that song now. And it goes like this. I am coming, and my head ain't hanging low. I am coming. This is America's new Black Joe. Gentlemen, close that door, please.